Cell phones have become a ubiquitous part of modern life, and with the advent of high-quality cameras built into these devices, they have also become powerful tools for recording video content. Whether you're a professional videographer or just someone who wants to record a special moment, using a cell phone to capture video can be an easy and convenient way to create high-quality content. The first step in using a cell phone to record video is to ensure that your device is equipped with a camera that is capable of recording high-quality video. Most modern smartphones come with cameras that are capable of recording at least 1080p resolution, and many newer models offer even higher resolution options. Additionally, you'll want to make sure that your phone has sufficient storage capacity to hold your video files. Once you have a phone with a good camera, the next step is to familiarize yourself with the camera app that comes with your device. Most modern smartphones come with pre-installed camera apps that are easy to use and offer a wide range of features and settings. Depending on your phone's operating system, you may be able to access advanced features such as manual focus, white balance, and exposure controls. When you're ready to start recording, make sure that your phone is steady and that you're in a well-lit location. Using a tripod or other stabilizing device can help keep your phone steady and reduce camera shake. Additionally, make sure that you're recording in a location with good lighting, as this will help ensure that your video is clear and easy to see. When you're recording, it's important to be aware of your surroundings and to be mindful of any potential distractions. If you're recording in a public place, be aware of people or objects that may enter the frame and cause unwanted distractions. Additionally, make sure that you're recording in a location that is free from any background noise or other distractions that may detract from the quality of your video. When you're finished recording, you need to transfer your video files from your phone to a computer or other device for editing and storage. Most modern smartphones allow you to transfer files via USB or wirelessly, and there are many different software options available for editing video. In addition to capturing video, modern smartphones also allow you to create photo sequences that can be converted into video. These sequences can be edited to create a smooth and seamless video footage. One of the biggest advantages of using a cell phone to record video is that it is portable and easy to use. You don't need to lug around heavy equipment or spend hours setting up and adjusting your camera. Additionally, most smartphones come with built-in editing tools that allow you to make simple adjustments to your videos without needing to use separate editing software. Another advantage of using a cell phone to record video is that it allows you to be more spontaneous and capture unexpected moments. You can easily pull out your phone and start recording at a moment's notice without needing to set up or adjust any equipment. In conclusion, using a cell phone to record video is a convenient and efficient way to create high-quality video content. With the advent of high-quality cameras built into these devices and the ease of editing and sharing, capturing the special moments of your life has never been easier. With a little bit of practice, you'll be able to create professional-looking videos that you can share with your friends and family.